Good day everyone. Today the group 1 topic was all about integumentary system. My topic was all about a dermis components. Dermis components have a two layer. First one is papillary layer and the reticular layer. First one is papillary layer. Locations and structures. The papillary dermis is the superficial layers lying deep to the epidermis. And the second one is composition. The papillary layer dermis is composed of loose connective tissues that is highly vascular. The number 3 is the functions of papillary layer is the papillary layer supplies nutrients to select layers of the epidermis and regulates temperatures. Now, the papillary layer is one of the two layers of the dermis, which is located to the beneath of epidermis, the outermost layer of the skin. It is the upper layer of the dermis, and it is composed of loose connective tissue. The papillary layer is in a direct contact with the epidermis and forms of boundaries between the epidermis and the deeper reticular layer of the dermis. The main functions of the papillary layer is to provide supports and nourishment to the epidermis. It contains blood vessels, lymphatics vessels, and nerve endings that supply nutrients, oxygen, and sensory informations to the epidermis. The papillary layer is also contains a specialized cells called fibroblasts, which produce the collagen and elastin fibers that give the skin its strength, elasticity, and flexibility. In addition to its supportive role, the papillary layers also plays a role in thermoregulations. The blood vessels in the papillary layers help to regulate a body temperature by dilating or constricting to control the blood flow to the skin's surface. The compositions of the papillary layers includes collagen fibers, elastic fibers, fibroblasts, blood vessels, lymphatic vessels, and nerve endings. Collagen fibers that provide strength and support to the skin, while elastic fibers is allow the skin to stretch and recule. Fibroblasts are responsible to producing and maintaining the extracellular matrix of the dermis, which includes collagen and elastin fibers. And overall, the papillary layers of the dermis is essential for maintaining the integrity and functions and health of the skin. Second one is this is the pictures of layers of the skin. First one is epidermis, dermis, and hypodermis. This is epidermis. Had two layers is papillary dermis, articular dermis. Now, proceed to the reticular layer. The locations and the structures. Layer is a deep layer forming a thick layer of dense connective tissues that constitutes the bulk of the dermis. And the reticular layer is the deeper layers of the dermis. It's located to the beneath of the papillary layer. It's a composed of dense irregular connective tissues, and it is responsible for providing strength, support, and elasticity to the skin. Then the functions, the compositions of the reticular layer is the bottom layer of your dermis, and it's thick and contains blood vessels, gland hair, fascials, lymphatics, nerves, and fat cells. The composition of the reticular layers includes collagen fibers, elastin fibers, fibroblasts, blood vessels, and sensory receptors. The main functions of the reticular layers are denser than the papillary dermis. It strengthens the skin, providing structures and elasticity. The main function of reticular layer is to provide a structural support to the skin and to anchor the sweat glands, hair follicles, and blood vessels that are present in the dermis. Contains a network of collagen and elastin fibers that give the skin strength, resilience, and elasticity. The collagen fibers provide a tensile strength to the skin, while the elastin fibers allow the skin to stretch and recule, uh, gihapon siya for the papillary layer. The reticular layer is placed a roles in thermoregulations. It contains a blood vessels that help regulate body temperatures, same to the papillary layers by dilating or constricting to control blood flows of the skin surface. Then, additionally, the reticular layers of dermis is crucial for the structural integrity and function of the skin, providing support, strength, and elasticity. That's all. Thank you.